So this is the Hunter low profile labeled Robbins and Myers. I believe that this is the earliest model of the Hunter low profile. And from what I've seen on the boxes from the early low profiles like this, it's there's one floating around that has these horseshoe brackets on the blades instead of as opposed to these brackets. This is from my Hunter Comfort Breeze. I'm gonna try and put these blade arms on and replace them with these because I personally like that look better than these brackets, even though that this is more original, meaning that these parts belong to this low profile specifically. Shout out to Adens Ceiling Fan Corner. He's the one that sold me this guy on eBay. From what he's told me, or in the description of the ceiling fan itself, it came from a kitchen in a beach house that was lightly used, and he got it for free, and then he sold it to me for a fairly good price, honestly. So without further ado, put it on low. This thing uses an isolation ring, I'm assuming so that the blade arms don't scrape upon the switch housing when it spins. The only thing I don't like about this, the only thing that's bothering me, I'd say, of how droopy the brackets are. I feel like every low profile has this design with the blade brackets so that some air can get behind the blades towards the ceiling as it pushes down air. So let's put it on medium. I used to have a 1988 white Hunter low profile 52-inch like this one, but it was just branded Hunter. It was probably right after they stopped labeling it Robbins and Myers. And the Hunter logo was engraved in the housing instead of a sticker. That's how you know it's Robbins and Myers. Let's try high. And from what I've been seeing on YouTube, there's only a couple of videos of these Robbins and Myers Hunter low profiles uploaded, and I'm pretty sure that they were manufactured in 1985. This fan wasn't dated, but that's what I'm pretty sure of. While that's spinning down, I took down the 42-inch Hunter low profile to put that in there. And the motor is significantly smaller. And the ones back in the 1980s, they used a darker shade of white, or maybe it's just the age of it, because this one is, the newer lower profiles are a little whiter, or a lighter shade of white. I mean, the Comfort Breezes were kind of the same deal here. The 40-year-old motor here has a slight hum. Not a big deal. So in the meantime, I'm probably gonna try and switch out these blade arms from my Comfort Breeze, because that will actually match the look of the very first model of the Hunter low profile. I know one of those is floating around somewhere, but if those blade arms are gonna fit, then I'm gonna use them, because I just think it looks better. And the blade arms will be flat and will hold the blades up straight, unlike what's going on here. But yeah, that'll probably be a separate video. The bearings on this are pretty good for a 40-year-old fan. Very quiet, takes forever to slow down. Apparently these are not hard, or they're not easy to come by. The early ones, like the Robinson Myers, especially the ones in antique white. And this is in pretty good condition for how old it is. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next one.